This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming FaceTime is active and your contact info is ready. Open Settings and make sure FaceTime is on and your Apple ID is signed in. This lets you receive calls on multiple addresses. Once done, open Contacts or the phone app to locate the person you want to reach. Make sure their entry shows a FaceTime-capable phone number or Apple ID email so the call connects as video rather than a regular call. Now you'll place the call. Tap a contact, then tap the FaceTime video button to start a video call or the audio button if you prefer voice only. If you want multiple people, choose New FaceTime and add participants. This creates a group call that uses Wi-Fi or cellular data. During the call, you can switch between front and rear cameras, mute your mic, or tap effects. Do this to control what others see and hear and keep the conversation smooth. To finish, tap End and the call closes immediately. You can also press the home gesture to background FaceTime if you need to switch apps, but note video may pause. Make sure Settings FaceTime has your preferred caller ID and blocked contacts configured so future calls behave correctly. If a call won't connect, check your Wi-Fi or cellular connection and verify your correspondent has FaceTime enabled. If problems persist, sign out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.